Today's session, what I'll be covering, is the new infrastructure views that have been migrated over into the TrueSight console. The first view that I'll be going over is the data center view. Within TrueSight Capacity Optimization version 11.0, we've now added a fresh new look to the approach of how we view the data center. Originally, this was part of the original TrueSight Capacity Optimization dashboard view, which did require Flash as a requirement to be able to view the data center information. Now, with the version 11.0, this has been migrated over into the TrueSight presentation server, which means that we are no longer bound to the to Flash and now leverages HTML5. The value that this provides for the customer is that it provides visibility and operational view with quicker and easier to access data. It's modern and mobile ready. And in addition to that, we are no longer having this disjointed view where our end users will have to access various screens to see individual dashboard views. So let's take a look at today's version of 10.7 on the left, which highlights the current visualization of the data center view. As you see here, this is where a very, I'll say, dated look based upon the HTML5 compared to now with version 11.0, it's more of leveraging HTML5 technology with quicker accessibility to and have a fresh look within the presentation server. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at this. As you see here, this is the new data center overview. Each of the main boxes represents the individual domains, and we logically group them all, in this case, physical servers within those domains. So this gives us a quick representation of what is the current utilization, whether it's based upon CPU or memory, of the physical environment. As I highlight over into the individual domains, it tells me for that particular area, what is the average utilization and the current size. And for me, I can go ahead and click on each of these individual boxes, and it allows me to drill down to the individual servers, physical servers within this particular domain, give me a better view of current utilization. This right here is also can be done for both the virtual machine as well as looking at the clusters. Now, when we compare this to the current version of view, as you can see, it is now quicker for me to access the information. I can access this through not only through my computer, but it's now mobile device ready. And then, in addition to that, again, I'm no longer bound to leveraging Flash as a requirement. As you see as a direction with this solution and the migration of views from the original TrueSight Capacity Optimization console to now the presentation server, we're now migrating away from having this jointed view of switching between two different consoles to view dashboards. Now, as you see here, this concludes this look at the data center overview.